So this is the FabFitFun Beauty Edit Box. I think for February. It was, Lindsay was on vacation. Do we know each other's names on here?
No.
She was on vacation. So I've been waiting to use this stuff.
And I haven't bought the subscription.
It was Sass lip balm or wet lip oil. And this is in Jellyfish. I'm happy that they added this because initially they didn't have this. And this is a formula I really like. I have a few other colors, but this is virtually like a see-through clear. It's very nice. I mean,
they have, you get to choose from 4 different categories, but you get 4 full-size items for $30, including shipping.
Right, like 32. But there was a lot of drama in this one because there was a lot of stuff from the spring box. But luckily, like, they added this because I already got a Ole Henriksen.
She got a Bobbi Brown long wear cream liner in Panther. And I got the brown one, like, from one of the boxes years ago. Bobbi Brown does not play around with these eyeliners, these things. I'm wearing the brown one, actually, right now. And, like, it hasn't smudged.
No.
Like right?
Oh, I know.
Waterline. Like, it doesn't smudge.
I opened
it's
this.
Budge proof.
And the tip was broken off, so I tried to smush it in. And literally smushing it in, my finger was it was practically stained.
Right.
But so it's kind of sad that this was...
It's super creamy. I think they include a built-in sharpener.
Is it you can put it in your waterline?
Yeah. Yeah.
I was going to say I could do...
Tight lining. If you tight line, this stuff is really great.
Yeah, I just wish that the point would have not
been sharp.
Well, it broke, right?
Right. They do have a sharpener.
It is?
Right on the bottom.
How would that work?
But it wastes so much product. I wouldn't recommend it. But seriously, Bobbi Brown eyeliners.
It's a long staying power.
It's amazing. I was thinking to subscribe just to get this because it's a really good price.
I think this is the 4th thing on here. This is the Origins Ginger Soufflé Whipped Body Cream. It's 3.4 ounces. And it says it's formulated with olive oil and scented with ginger. Origins is always a good brand. And I did, it has a nice whipped consistency. And it is a strong ginger.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's a strong ginger scent, but it's...
Reminds me of ginger snaps. Like, yeah. But it smells good. Like, it smells creamy. Like, there's a note of, like, vanilla
or like milky or something.
Milky.
Right. It's not too punch in your face.
And then her final product was the Drunk Elephant Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. So these are the bronzer drops that were really popular for a while.
I think this was also in the spring.
This was one of the spring choices. And so some people had put, they paid like $17 for an extra. Yeah. You want me to swatch it?
Against this blue sweater. Okay, so it looks like that. And then I don't think it really.
Because I have the Color one. The sun drops, and then we also got the First Aid Beauty one.
Smell it
from Allure.
I think this has gone bad.
Oh yeah, you can smell like the castor oil or something.
It smells like crayons.
It's the rancid.
It smells rancid.
Must have a seed oil.
But I don't know if it actually did anything.
It does stuff. I mean, compare those two. It definitely warms up your hand a little bit, so it would warm up your stuff.
Yeah,
I bet
that's
you
nasty.
That's
okay. I mean, I'll just smell the ginger.
Yeah, it doesn't smell good.
So it either smells bad or it's kind of old.
Oh, and they give you a Lala Retro Whipped Cream sample sachet. So that's fun.
2 for the price of 1.
So that was her FabFitFun Beauty
February.
Edit box. $30 for full-size products you get to choose. So
Yep.
I really think it's a great value. I mean, seriously.
Exactly. Can't get
Better than that.